How to download offline maps on Google Map. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Firstly, all you need to do is make sure that you have updated your Google Map in your device. Once your application is up to date, launch a Google Map in your device. Now over here, to download the offline map feature, tap on the user icon which is at the top right corner. After which, navigate to offline maps option. Here, select your own map. After which, you can drag and select a particular area of the map. Once you are done, tap on the download button. Once you have clicked on the download button, you'll be downloading the offline map of the area. As you can see, the download process has begun. If this feature is not available for you, you need to check for an update. In order to do so, open up your Play Store. Tap on the search bar and search for Google Maps. Tap on the application, and if there is any update button, leave your application for an update. After that, you can go ahead and try out the feature. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.